This is the 9738 remote control. It can control an RCX or a Scout, which makes it great for testing old Mindstorms builds. We disassembled one of these for a previous video, but we could not find the documentation if we documented it at all, so here's a very quick tutorial for anyone looking for this information. The two halves connect entirely with clips and tabs. The top has the tabs and the bottom has the clips. Contracting the top is easier than expanding the bottom, so start by squeezing the front or back top corners and working down the sides. A brick separator can help, and once the first tab goes, the rest should follow easily. Inside we have a single PCB and a sheet of rubber buttons. Like the rubber buttons in some programmable bricks, these tend to somehow lose conductivity and cause the remote to fail. A little bit of cleaning with isopropyl alcohol can often fix the problem, though their performance will most likely degrade again. I do believe we cleaned these buttons already in the past. Of course, to reassemble the remote, put the buttons into the front face, place the PCB on top of that, and then add the back. It should snap together very easily. As seen in the last 8448 video, this unit does work again. While the assembly and disassembly processes are very easy, do realize that it does stress the clips and tabs, and they may break after a certain number of cycles. On that note, this is the end of this video that could probably have been a short. Please consider subscribing if you like what we do, and have a nice day.